Poem 005.
Today, we will present our research effect of sound vibration on VIGNA radiata, generally known as green gram. Next. Sound waves can have positive and negative effects on plants. This makes the plant weaker or stronger than the normal growth. Did you know that noise pollution affects the plants too? But there are some ways in which sounds can help the plant in their growth. Sound vibrations on plants increases the plant growth and development both qualitatively and quantitatively. It increases the stress resistance in crops. It improves the immunity to pathogens. It increases the tolerance to drought. It reduces the germination period of the green gram. I pass on the mic to Niranjan.
Thank you, George. Now, this is the reason why we chose the green gram plant for our study. Green gram or VIGNA radiata is a legume which is widely used in the Asian cuisine. It is a good source of riboflavin, thiamine and vitamin C. Its growth cycle is short, so more repetitive experiments can be conducted. This experiment will aim to find the best sound frequency for intensity of green gram growth. Our problem statement is formulated with lots of background research. It is understanding the effects of noise pollution and sound vibrations on the seed germination and plant growth of VIGNA radiata or green gram. Our objectives are finding the appropriate frequency for increased produce, to find the effect of sound vibrations and noises on the germination and growth of VIGNA radiata. We will also be measuring the water absorption by seeds, the time taken to germinate, the height of the plant, the number of leaves and the quantity of the produce. Now I hand over the mic to Abel.
Thank you, Niranjan. We will be conducting our experiment in 3 soundproof environmental chambers, that is the biotanicas. We will place the soaked green gram seeds inside grow bags. Then we will ensure that ambient conditions such as temperature, humidity, etc. will be maintained in a steady pace. We will measure and record the plant's growth every single day, and then we will compare the chamber with sound vibrations and the chamber without sound vibrations. Next. This is a rough sketch of the biotanica. It is a soundproof, modified wooden cabinet with a sound decibel meter and a time-lapse camera as sensors. There is a grow light which produces adequate lighting for photosynthesis. A sound generator produces artificial noise pollution. There is a tap for irrigation. Next. Now, we did some initial testing to find the normal growth rate of green gram. We soaked the seeds for 10 hours and they germinated in 24 hours. Now, I hand over the mic to Anna.
These are the graphical representation of the seed weight of the green gram seeds. The red bar indicates the weight of the dry seeds and the green bar indicates the weight of the wet or the soaked green gram seeds. We were able to notice significant increase in the weight of the soaked seeds when compared to that of the dried ones. This is the graph showing us the increase in seed weight. This data was updated in every 10 minutes for a period of 3 hours, and this shows us the general growth of green gram. Next. This is the graphical representation of green gram plant height, which was observed for a period of 9 days. The plant height had shown significant increase for a period of 3 days, after which the graph had remained steady.
Noise pollution has a disastrous effect on plants, but sound vibrations at appropriate frequencies might stimulate plant growth. So we can expect that the germination period, plant growth and the quality of green gram might improve when we expose it to appropriate sound frequencies, whereas random and loud noises might cause harmful effect on plant growth and development. These are our references. We thank Team GYRA for the guidance and support. We thank Dr. Priya Rajesh for devoting in our project and helping us. And last but not the least, we acknowledge the director, principal and the management of Rajagiri Public School for providing us the facilities to conduct our research. Thank you.
And what was the duration of your study? What was the duration? How long it took for the whole study?
Miss, we started from July this year, and then our project is not yet fully complete. We are planning to end the project by January 2025.
Thank you, ma'am, for the question. I actually read this in an article I had found in the front cover magazine.
May I add on to it? Noise pollution has a negative impact on plants. Hence, we need to study its effect on plants. Farmers are able to harvest crops more effectively, and they are able to feed the global population without the use of chemical fertilizers.
We also choose green gram as a sample because green gram is used worldwide by researchers as a sample plant.